So we want to factor this expression out as much as we possibly can. And we begin by observing that we can pull a 4 out from the 4x term here and from the 8 right here. So we can pull the 4 from that. The next terms that we can pull out is an x minus 5 to the third power from over here, and also to the third power for this term here. So we get x minus 5 to the third power. Last but not least, we can pull out an x squared plus 16 raised to the fourth power from this piece here, and also from this piece as well. So from both pieces we can do that. So x squared plus 16 raised to the fourth power. And so what we have left then, for the terms, we have 3. We have x, and we have x minus 5 for this piece. And over here we have x squared plus 16 left over times 2 for this second piece right here. Now if we simplify all this stuff inside here, and let me rewrite the rest of this stuff here on the outside. Going back to this, if we simplify this, we get 3x squared, meaning 3x times x is 3x squared, minus 3x times 5, which is 15x, and then we have 2x squared plus 16 times 2, which is 32. Combining terms, we get 5x squared minus 15x plus 32. And then we write out the other leftover stuff here. Now this right here is a quadratic, and if we look at the discriminant called d, which is b squared minus 4ac for an arbitrary quadratic function, here we have negative 15 squared minus 4 times 5 times 32, which gives us negative 15 squared is 225, and 4 times 5 times 32 is 640. So then that gives us negative 415, which is less than 0. So then this tells us that this quadratic has no real zeros, and so it has no x-intercepts, and since it opens up, then this thing is an irreducible polynomial. So this quadratic polynomial is irreducible. And so then we have all the factors. We have 4 times x minus 5 raised to the third power times x squared plus 16 raised to the fourth power times 5x squared minus 15x plus 32. And we're done.